Replications are an important part of a scientific inquiry. A replicable experiment means that it is possible to redo it again and again, whether it is by the same person or another. Scientists rely on replication to uncover patterns that may impact the validity and outcomes of their work. Conducting replications can either strengthen or weaken existing theories. To create a replication, choose an inquiry and open it up. Click the Replicate button on the right. Connect the sensor that you want to use. There are two important points to remember when you replicate an inquiry. First of all, use the same methods and labels from the original inquiry for the measurements that you take. Secondly, you will be able to refer to the original inquiry for photos and notes if you need help in repeating the steps. This will make it easier for you in comparing your data. An example of this would be to imagine copying Grandma's chocolate chip cookie recipe. Grandma has different ingredients, measurements, and methods, variables that can individually affect the way the cookie might turn out. If you change the ingredients, measurements, or the way to bake, you might end up with brownies without understanding what went wrong. Another important point to remember is don't worry if your measurements don't match the original inquiry. The whole point of creating a replication is to see if the result will stay consistent when measured using the same way over and over again. Once you are done recording all the measurements, compare your findings to the original inquiry. You can then decide if your results are similar, different, or if a further investigation is needed. All types of results contribute to improving scientific knowledge. You can also look at other people's replications and discuss the results in the comment section.